Hey guys, welcome back to Eating Good with Rick and Jerry. So today we have for you a tom yum soup that we're going to be making. So you're going to need about 8 cups of water, and you're going to cover it and bring the water to a boil. Next, you're going to smash and chop 1 stick of lemongrass. And then you're going to get 1 small piece of galangal. If you don't have that, you can use ginger, half a bunch of cilantro, and just chop it. Very easy to make, guys. Next, you're going to need a bag of mini king oyster mushrooms. I believe it's about 10 ounces of mushrooms in there. You're going to need 6 tablespoons of tom yum paste, 1 chopped garlic clove, and you're going to need about 1 pound of shrimp. You're going to peel and devein those shrimp. Now, once you get your water boiled, you're going to add your galangal, you're going to add your garlic, and as well as your tom yum paste. You're going to use 6 tablespoons. And now you're going to boil for 4 minutes and stir. Add in 4 tablespoons of fish sauce, and you're going to squeeze in 1 whole lime. And then you're going to add 1 cup of canned coconut milk, and then add in your washed oyster mushrooms, and then add in your shrimp. The last ingredient you're going to need is your chopped cilantro, and now stir. And the last thing you need to put is the cilantro, because you don't want that to get too, cooked in the soup. So that's the last thing you're gonna add. So after that, the soup is ready to serve. As you can see, look how beautiful the soup looks. It's so good, guys. I'm gonna be putting a link in the description below, so you can get some of that tom yum paste. This is not directly made from scratch. I know there's other recipes out there that have them made from scratch, and if you guys want, you guys can also have rice noodles that go with this. So just cook the noodles beforehand before you put them in there, and just get a bowl, put your noodles in, and then pour the soup right over them. And look at that, guys. That is the most tasty tom yum soup you've ever had. So again, guys, if you guys like this video, hit that like button. If you guys want to, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and we will catch you guys on the next video. Peace. Also, guys, check with your manufacturer of your tom yum paste to make sure that you use the required amount for your soup.
I knew that.